Hey guys, it's Trevor here, back for another walk and talk tour. This time we've got a townhouse in the Mill Woods area. It's actually a 4-level split townhouse in the community of Richfield. It's part of the Charlton Place condominium, built in 1994. As you can see, you've got the other townhouses here around you. There's guest parking over there around the corner. This is a 3-bedroom and it's got 2 full baths, currently listed at $220,000. This is just off Millwoods Road and 91st Street, where you've got quick access to the White Mud, Southampton Common, and you've also got the Millwoods Town Center nearby and the Millwoods Recreation Center. Here we are coming into the main entrance here. Condo fees are currently $422.59. Taxes were $2,188.41 in 2019. Here we're coming up into the living room. Nice cozy living room here. If you like these video tours, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can check them out as soon as I post new ones. Let's take a peek out back. As you can see, you back onto a green space. It's a white space right now, and you've got a little bit of a deck here where you can barbecue. You've also got a gas fireplace here in the living room. Carpet on the floor. You can see they're getting ready for Christmas. Let's head on upstairs. Oh, and in case you're wondering, townhouses that are 4-level splits that were at least 1,100 square feet that sold in the Mill Woods area in the last 6 months sold on average for $225,000. Here we're coming into the dining area. It's got nice hardwood floors in here. Let's take a peek at the kitchen. As you can see, you got nice stainless steel appliances here in the kitchen. Decent working space, quite a bit of cabinet space as well. If you're thinking about selling but want to find out how much your home is worth in the current market, I'd be happy to help you out. Come take a look at it and let you know what I think it might sell for. You can reach me at 780-819-5508. Let's take a peek out back. This is the view from your kitchen. Okay, let's head into the dining area again. As you can see, I mentioned earlier, nice hardwood floors in here. And there's quite a bit of space to organize it however you like. Now let's go take a look at the 2 bedrooms on this level. This one's being used as a kid's room. Now if you'd like this tour and you'd like to look at some properties with me, give me a call or shoot me a text at 780-819-5508 and we can go out and start looking. And these bedrooms overlook the front of the property out into the complex. We've also got a closet tucked in behind the door there. Let's go take a look at the other bedroom. This one's also being used as a kid's bedroom. Got a nice setup in here. Also looks out front through the window. And again, you've got the closet behind the door there. These bedrooms have carpet in them. You can see where the hardwood ends there. Let's swing back through the dining room real quick. And now let's duck into the main bathroom. Bathroom's got lino in it. Oh, messing with my camera here a little. But here's the bathroom. You can see we got lino on the floor, vanity, and a toilet. And then you've also got the full shower and tub here behind the curtain as well. Okay, let's go check out the master suite now. If you like these video tours, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can check them out as soon as I post new ones. Nice roomy master suite. Again, you've got carpet on the floor here. You can see the closet on my right. Enough room for a larger bed. And And the master suite, the window looks out the back of the property over the green space. And if you take a peek down, you can see that that's the edge of the deck below as well. Let's go take a look at the ensuite. We've got newer lino here in the ensuite. As you can see, this is another full bathroom with the tub and shower there, and the toilet tucked behind the door here. All right. Take another quick peek at the master suite. Let's head back downstairs. If you'd like to find out more about the process of buying and selling a home in Edmonton, I'd be happy to help you out. Answer any questions that you might have. Just give me a call at 780-819-5508. Quickly passing through the living room one more time. Before I forget, if you like this home and you'd like to take a look at it in person, shoot me a text or give me a call at 780-819-5508 and I'll show it to you in person. Okay, so that's actually the entrance to the garage there, that door we're just passing, but we're gonna go take a look at the basement area first. Okay, now you can see we're in the basement. It's unfinished. There's actually quite a bit of storage space in here, and this is where your laundry room is located. You could finish this room if you'd like, or just leave it as is, depending on what you want to use it for. There's also a little bit more space behind that door that I didn't show. All right, let's head over to the garage. The cute puppy in the back does not come with the house. All right, here's the inside of the double attached garage. As you can see, lots of room for storage space if you don't have two cars in here. And if you actually look back there in the corner, there's a door. I'm gonna go in there next. That's where the utility room is. All right, now we're in the utility room. This house actually has a new high efficiency furnace and air conditioning so you can stay comfortable year round. Let's just take a quick closer look at it here for you. Hey, by the way, if you're serious about buying or selling a home in Edmonton, you might want to set up a quick consultation call with me. If you head on over to booktrevornow.com, you can schedule a time in my calendar. Take another last peek at the garage and that's it for you. You've seen it all.